Rati gitu man telescope observation thago moons or stars and study bro.
Hello guys, welcome back from Nangtan village. Zen scientific lab ko gina Nangtan village te apni khan last time apni ang highlight ko na hanisa brothers in lang logore kilo or buhi gina ase. Itu second edition wala summer science game first edition to 2024 de mohan manishi itula apni han opore highlight ko na aishi and aji second edition chawle asile ko na viewers khan na opore itu chanai di ase. Introduction ekta nisna moi itu koi dibolo mon thaka bishi jaga de itu kan manibole bishi mon ase holibi line na thaka brother zenbang nisna itu line de proficient hua manu na thaka kane do bishi manu manibole na pare and it's a big opportunity for our peoples especially near and dear manu khan amihan garne pachahan garne itu to tangor opportunity ekta kane loi kina tai laga ki program ekta loi ase tate samil kura do pachahan future build kura itu ba bi hole para laga ase kina viewers khan la opore itu koi di ase so brother opore itia apni olop highlight koi dilo bala ase importance of like conducting this kind of summer camp na itu do impact to ki ase actually viewers khan la opore koi di
Okay. So thank you brother for coming first of all. So directly coming to the point, the importance of this summer science camp, especially the science camp. Na? So this edition do summer time they obviously the first edition be bishi baba jaje. So this edition do man targeting the scientific or the science education into garden as a main. So like during the academic journey, tahandu teacher from kiki and siki is school dido. But apart from that, we are focusing on the practical aspects. Itu science to practical dekhi na chulao na. So itu practical perspective te sikao na mani summer science can do organize kora and that's very important for the students to be very practical in their day-to-day life. So yeah, because of that we are trying to promote this science camp.
Acha si idia pachakan ase chudu pachakan especially primary students can last time we do ahakan dikhi ase or like class 8 10 students can be do one ahi ase so like tahan garne future garne ki ekta stepping ekta hole man hope korbo because of that very camp.
Okay, so with this our main concept is mahala scientific equipments around science practical knowledge to tahan ityabrahi janina paw lage. Future day many of the students that yadeva join guna mahanba sekina tahan jadu further studies can pursue technical fields can give or science education ke join guna bishi ajaman yadeva training la mahal ode hikina jalan na so in their journey future day equipments can nutun cheese scientific la lab te saman nutun cheese dikhili bi itu ki is na inan hole at least they had the hands-on basic knowledge already yadeva jan jaw itu one na
Paikta amni experience kura do pongchai di bole bishi wish ekta thakine especially students kan science background te interest wa manuhan thakile itu majole pick up kulu mon ase and dai ko chakare jawle si itu jani gina confused na ho garne apni la concept man hunilo pari ase believe bishi jaga in and around the man ge support na pae ta bi ho jaye apni la feel ekla din hoy bishi chinis te nutun chi sai shu everyone is confusing like itu bra ki hobo na itu raki age jabo manuhan jaga de hole direct catch up kore itu ge run up kore kina bishi mane age de society loi jabe itu dikhibo pare ase believe mahan jaga de itu kan dikhi na hanai so amila side pra like mahan society manuhan la opore ki convince kore dibo.
Okay, so that's a tough question actually. Okay, we do a lot of discussion going to bishi sub angle saw lage na believe ita panchna I think perspective bishi matter kore perspective about whether you want to you want your children to be educated or well learned or ama ba bi khicharan hoina like people mahala yede do mostly think that bachaman ge jala puisa do expenses kane loi as I think they should take as it as as an investment na future da I think itu tateko shuru karo lage men no aro bishi bi khicharan ho lage
yes
education de do and it's getting expensive. And then to be honest, whatever we are doing here, whatever kila training will be, sikala will be, we are doing it so komti laga rate te jaye. And then that is my mission in a field in the sense like manulan jina charges can be na nai. Whatever we are doing, now what I'm trying to say is we are doing it very minimal charges where the charges be teacher salary or whatever Itu expenses kan la lab expenses kan consume hole la itu one garde he kore to what I'm trying to say is ita one is na parents laga perspective change kushula. I feel like the students can also go ahead and then we are here whatever we are trying to do mahala concept to clear is that bacha kan right direction dikhaw ita to parents laga side pa is main that's what I see here especially now TZ na
acha next question to open for everyone ko ase so like see Nangtan village to or TZ valley de thaga manman karne no hoi do anybody can join with us especially to science summer camp la de so dur manu khan do ai shugule kinia goi kena ta khan jodi 2-3 days in a hall ko shugule kinia manage ko
okay so this second edition of summer science camp de do man accommodation provide kuri accommodation fooding so durba awle khan bi we are making it very open first edition ke do man TZ aro near musti khan lai thagi to tan ho ina osor ba kan accommodation jane to they come in the morning whole day down training activities thago in evening they go back thago to maybe this time do some request kan ta kise kun ba durba awon chakan especially Mon or some eastern regions you know so tan ina interest dikha karne making it open and then accommodation fooding provided itu thagi so ina ase this edition la do to I request everyone especially from you know Mon or eastern regions kan dusra la to ko na bari bishi dur ho jai tahan garne but at least from eastern regions and Mon I request them to join this edition it's going to be very fun plus bishi you know knowledge gain group our students kan bana this session do bishi interesting hone
acha registration kan do kini hai subject jawle se for example accommodation diye ase baat sar kan kela ase na
yes so for the second edition we are not getting any financial sponsor ko pane de manna finance de mahange itu ina kuri dibo ki ekta bhi pane to we had to mahala own pocket pa olaje so ita condition everything has its own expenses to fooding accommodation diala tatila charges thaki jaise plus lab equipments chemicals can utilize kro ta han experimental itu kan be kinula lai jai man to itu kan la he charges aro instructors fee itu kan charge kuna at the minimum rate kuna man without accommodation for near and one those who are not taking accommodation ta 1000 rupees aro kun accommodation aro fooding lowle je ta 2000 rupees in a that includes fooding accommodation training charge chemicals apparatus sab include kuna lola sido
acha activities to ki this year do last year is nice same meaning a jauna activities to ki amni take up ko plan kore
okay so hala main concept to science laga there is biology chemistry physics itu tinda ke concept laga thaka jaman itu ke hi focus koro na to this year la integration do man telescope observation stars or moon kan ke sawo man rati de so as usual we'll have the biology and chemistry practical that they tahana syllabus or out of syllabus kan whatever experiment tahan you need ho day to day life de it on sab sikai dibo and then we'll have robotics they will have to make robots instructor thago to tahan ye tasks assign gro design gro dibo in a certain tasks tahan ye robot banaina tahan ye tasks complete gro dibo itu was de rati ke do man telescope observation thago moons or stars and study gro it on to this year la nutun do telescope observation as
acha thank you so
and
much
then the students will get participation certificate you know
oh certificate power this
certificate
bishi expensive laga ekta kam ekta ase headache ekta mahan dikhibo pare ase last year we amni kite etu organize kuri ase etu logore amni ala pichi kurina mahan ekil logore berai thaise at the time also I can see that yete kam do bishi bhari lagisina and this year do even the sponsors kan amni ki paule parana but still then amni etu organize kurule bishi mon ra bhapna kora and inila hadiki ase so what is this like apni la bhapna de itu kile man important bhapna koro pare
okay starting with one na as a researcher as a scientist as our work is to prioritize science science ke prioritize kore for me I love science na to I'm doing my part I guess moi to mola kam kuro na nijo la kam thake to mola kam to moi mon dina kuro aru thik pro kuro there's a concept to ite kana financial condition of course it's problematic for all of us maybe I guess we are doing ita condition I don't care about whatever reach out kurse kun bage whoever is seeing like we did reach out for financial assistance maybe positive response agane isi biya dagi maybe ita condition nijo pocket pa starting to pura all the equipments materials can for this camp, I from my own pocket I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, with zero profit expectation, nothing.
Yeah, really inspired, and thank you on behalf of all the societies. Na, Mahan aside probably like need you feel they like khara kore ase and Mahan get to experience so panai jai ja din de kun bi thaka nai guide kore and somehow area amni thaka bi Mahan sob karne Mahan la phai nichu la pacha kan inai ko de to itu kan guide bi blessing damo ekta ase and nichu we de itu blessing do na hatai kina na harai kina kiman circumstances like problems amni ke financially or ki jaga will be push up kuri kina noile support kuna understand na pura karne ase tik pura na buja karne to ando and let us hope and pray that in the coming days ina no hobo will be more la kami agere jaina kuno bade listen ekta amni la side pura and amni pura siki daga kan amni la track ta haija dikhile do you will realize that oh itu to moi na kuile ki hobole thaka and it will turn to a blessing Mahan itu hope karo then and this is my humble request to all the viewers like especially Mahan yate thaka TGTMs kan and Mon district thaka Mahan so manu jane young scientist ekta ase and tai ki kuri ase itu Mahan explore kuri kina media de bi alag alag platform de Mahan take up kuri kina pongjai di kina tai stories and everything Mahan reveal kuri na ase and aji science summer camp second wala edition jai ase dangor manukan chutu manukan nichu para cheese te itu do tai ge promote kuna tai ge othai dibo itu la kotha ekta noi tai la kam kuri ase but the thing is that ajikali do without financial like without poisa man ate poisa thaka nai kole eku ki kurule bi na pare eta ta han konisa ki machine kan use kule tare dawai kan ngai ma dio ma itu kan pi poisa bai kini kina itu kan kiba kuri ase activities kan karne ta han ki saman use kule ase itu kan sob to poisa philai kine and especially yate bohi jaise kule pachan all the bohi bole ase khorai jaile bi decisions kan ni khorai na niju khore khomao paro but still that itu tahan bohado pani na khaina do man gorom de bugu na paro at least thanda do feeding go lagibo ja na khilai gina chutu pachan ki do khorau na paro enigala duk khan bishi ase nichu para cheese te itu mala brothers in bangi bi tai la kam de tai ki support kora do pachan ki support kora ase and tai laga kam bra mala society uplift kora mahan very soon Mahan ita bi tahan la track te tahan shikina jai to la stream de jai da man bishi ase kora ase itu huni bole bishi bhal kotha na e sa manu kan ki bi request kora to chanai di ase and not forgetting date and time koi dibo bole date 14 15 thakibole ase only 2 days July 26 na this month hobo 14 15 date te thakibole ase so konoba bahar bra yadi osore na thaka manu kan bi itu experience kule pacha kan ida summer vacation pai ase ta la time waste na kuri dibe only 2 days karne ai kina nutun ekta experience koro and bishi moi bi itu rati do ta hange hobole moi bi try koro yate takisi kule do coverage kore na star kule ase moon je sabole ase sai kina bitore ki ase opore ki ase itu ge kinia mate Mahan itaro nichula naked eye bai sai ase will be machine ekta telescope mate na ki mate telescope pai sai kina makan itu everything dusra kando activity bishi ase will be bishi Mahan ji interesting this time eta pura bi itu ekta asile koina students kan ma baba ge kobi ma baba na bujile moi dade chawle ase ki bhai ta amni learn kole mon hwa thakile and ma baba kan amni sai se kole bacha han itu science summer camp de pothai sekili koile kite bi amni regret na khawle experience ta han ki tibole ase de koina viewers kan na opore itu koi di ase any last message from your side
Okay, so ita konishna support kuru ekta bi kola do like bachan ke pathabi that's what I'm trying to say here na bachan ke pathabi ayabi hikibi that's what we wanted to say so for the rest of the thing though sab koi dishe eta onishna date 14 15 and then another thing is kunba sponsor kuru mun jai ina boshe bole do like we don't want the general sponsor but apni bra itu bacha karne ekjon manu laga dujon manu la fee dibo bole most welcome.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't want the general sub entirely fund guru la we don't expect nile amni bra ekjon laga bacha nile duida bacha la de guna sponsor guru gele bi to talaga we will waive idula students laga fee the man waive kuri dibo aru amni bra sponsor gura do bacha la idula cover kuri dibo so eta konishna idu fees kan kilet loi je gele do fooding lodging chemicals equipments aru instructors fees kan ge tate bai amila dia fees bai sob jawle je to idula se and then the context will be given I think shared as well as we are also Zen Scientific as a mala lab now so it is an MSME registered lab as तो we are also offering internship BA BSc kan kun interest ho kan internship aro eta new education policy de tan internship lobole lagi bola jije to tahan ita summer vacation or winter vacation tahan any hours 60 90 120 hours tahan internship valid na certification man issue gro that includes environmental studies laga thago plant nursery management biodegradable products aro science karne biology laga field techniques kan laga don internship thago aro man ani description there ani morom by the website amala website laga link share koribe tahan tate check out koribo
obviously thank you so much dia viewers can be repeat number dagibo holibi contact number kuntu DSA and website te sai kina every details and apni kan kuntu chanibuli mon ase institution kan be alag institution kan be visit kori na school kan be itu lake te sai kina experience power students kan di loi kina habi dikhi ase to any institution kan be amyan ahi kina yate experience ko pare ase and amyan confused what is especially the science summer camp garne amyan details lobole ase kile do given number kuntu description di ase tade contact kori kina apni kan tahan lagore information lo pare de na viewers kan la opore channel ideas. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you all and see you next video.